Clearing your search history on Pinterest is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to manage and delete your search history effectively. Step 1. Open Pinterest app or website. Launch the Pinterest app on your mobile device or visit the Pinterest website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon. This will take you to your account settings and boards. Step 3. Go to Settings. Look for the Settings option, usually represented by gear icon. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest account. Step 4. Find Search History. In the Settings menu, locate the section labeled Search History or Privacy. This section contains your previous searches and options to manage them. Step 5. Clear Search History. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice if prompted, and your search history will be removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Pinterest, ensuring a fresh start for your future searches.